Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Spocket to AliExpress. I know that a lot of people are interested in using Spocket to source products to sell on their online stores. However, some people are having trouble connecting Spocket to AliExpress. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of connecting Spocket to AliExpress. I'll also provide some troubleshooting tips in case you run into any problems. What is Spocket? Before we get started, let's talk about what Spocket is. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to source products from AliExpress and other suppliers. With Spocket, you can add products to your online store without having to purchase them upfront. When a customer places an order for one of your products, Spocket will automatically place an order with your supplier. The supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. Why use Spocket? There are a number of reasons why you might want to use Spocket. It's easy to use. Spocket is very easy to set up and use. It's affordable. Spocket offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. It has a wide selection of products. Spocket has access to millions of products from AliExpress and other suppliers. It offers a variety of shipping options. Spocket offers a variety of shipping options, so you can choose the best option for your customers. Provides customer support. Spocket has a team of customer support representatives who are available to help you if you have any questions or problems. How to connect Spocket to AliExpress. Now that we know what Spocket is and why you might want to use it, let's talk about how to connect Spocket to AliExpress. Create a Spocket account. If you don't already have a Spocket account, you'll need to create one. You can create a Spocket account for free. Log in to your Spocket account. Once you have created a Spocket account, log in to your account. Click on the Settings tab. Once you are logged in to your Spocket account, click on the Settings tab. Click on the Integrations tab. Once you are on the Settings tab, click on the Integrations tab. Click on the AliExpress button. Once you are on the Integrations tab, click on the AliExpress button. Enter your AliExpress API key. Once you have clicked on the AliExpress button, you will be prompted to enter your AliExpress API key. Click on the Connect button. Once you have entered your AliExpress API key, click on the Connect button. Test the connection. Once you have clicked on the Connect button, Spocket will test the connection to your AliExpress account. If the connection is successful, you will be able to see your AliExpress products in Spocket. If the connection is successful, you will be able to see your AliExpress products in Spocket. If the connection is not successful, you will need to troubleshoot the problem. If the connection is not successful, you will need to troubleshoot the problem. Troubleshooting tips. If you are having trouble connecting Spocket to AliExpress, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Make sure that you have entered your AliExpress API key correctly. Make sure that your AliExpress account is active. Make sure that your AliExpress account is not suspended. Make sure that you are using the correct AliExpress region. Make sure that you are using the correct AliExpress endpoint. Try disabling your ad blocker. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Try using a different browser. Try contacting Spocket support. I hope this video has helped you to connect your Spocket to AliExpress. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.